Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you totally three set of cotton items. One is batik dyed item, and the next one is Jaipur cotton item, and the next one is Ajrak dyed item. All are very comfortable, very elegant sets, and these sets are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the items, then you need to log into our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176611794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. Let me show you the items one by one. So the first item is a hand block printed Jaipur cotton set. Okay. So this is how the top will be. It's a kind of a light beige color cotton top. You will be getting a very beautiful patchwork in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting a very beautiful embroidery work on top of the patchwork. Okay, so this is beige with maroon color combination. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a completely printed Jaipur cotton set, and you will be getting a maroon color completely printed cotton bottom with this. Okay, and a completely printed cotton dupatta. So you will be getting a pom-pom laces on the edges of the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. The dupatta has got a pom-pom laces on the edges. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. So this is a beige with maroon color combination. This is a completely printed Jaipur cotton top, and you will be getting a completely printed cotton bottom and a completely printed cotton dupatta, priced only for 1050 with free shipping. We have got one more color in this, that's beige with black color. The next is beige with black. This is how the patchwork will be. You will be getting a very beautiful embroidery work, and this is how the printed pattern will be. So this is a completely printed Jaipur cotton fabric. Will be very comfortable for an office wear and all. Okay, so this is how the top looks. I hope you could see the width of the fabric as well. So this is more than enough. You can stitch up to 5XL size, and this is the bottom. You will be getting a black color completely printed cotton bottom with this, and a completely printed very comfortable cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1050 with free shipping. Okay, we have got two colors. One is beige with maroon, and the next one is beige with black. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item is a Ajrak dyed cotton item. Okay, so this is a completely Ajrak dyed cotton top. This is how the print will be. The full top has got a printed pattern, and you will be getting a blue color completely printed bottom and a completely printed cotton dupatta. So this is not dark red, this is a kind of a brick red color. Okay, so this is how the top will be. This is also a very lengthy fabric. I hope you could see the width and length of the fabric. Okay, very comfortable daily wear kind of item this is, and you will be getting a blue color, dark navy blue color, completely printed cotton bottom with this. Okay, and this is the dupatta. You will be getting a completely printed cotton dupatta. So this is also a very comfortable dupatta, such a soft dupatta this is, and also very lengthy dupatta also. I hope you could see the length as well. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 990 with free shipping. In this also we have got four colors. So this is brick red with blue color combination. So the next is pale yellow with green color, mehendi green color combination. So these are all very authentic Ajrak colors actually. Okay, so this is how the top will be. This is a pale yellow color, completely printed Ajrak dyed cotton top, and you will be getting a green color, kind of a mehendi green color, completely printed cotton bottom with this, and this is the dupatta. Completely printed, very lengthy and a very comfortable cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 990 with free shipping. So the next is opposite combination. You will be getting a mehendi green color top with this, and then yellow, kind of a pale yellow color dupatta and bottom. So many of you might know these are all only we will be getting limited colors in Ajrak. Actually, we don't get multiple colors. So these are the actual authentic colors. So this is the dupatta, bottom, completely printed bottom, and this is the dupatta, completely printed cotton dupatta. Okay, Very very lengthy dupatta this is. So this is priced only for 990 with free shipping. This is blue color top and you will be getting a brick red color dupatta and bottom with this. So this set is priced only for 990 with free shipping. So this is how the top will be. It's a dark navy blue color, completely ajrak dyed cotton top, and this is the bottom you will be getting, completely printed brick red color cotton bottom this is, and this is the dupatta. Completely printed cotton dupatta. So dupatta needs tappings actually, but a very lengthy dupatta and a very comfortable dupatta. This set is priced only for 990 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors. So one is brick red, navy blue, pale green and mehendi green. Okay, all are very beautiful colors, priced only for 990 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. So next item is a completely ajrak dyed kind of a chanderi silk top. This is how the top will be. You will be getting a complete batik pattern on a chanderi silk, soft chanderi silk fabric. Okay, so this is a restocked item. We have got a very huge response. So we have again come up with a new print actually. Okay, the top looks, this is a kind of blue color, completely batik dyed soft chanderi silk top. You will be getting a print on both the sides. Okay, the fabric will be very soft, very comfortable fabric, and you will be getting a grey color cotton silk bottom with this plain bottom. You will be getting with this. Okay, and a completely batik dyed and a sequence worked soft silk dupatta. The full dupatta has got a batik pattern, and the dupatta you will be getting a complete sequence work, soft sequence work you will be getting all over the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. This is also very lengthy dupatta. This set is priced only for 1025 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is blue with grey color combination. The fabric is soft chanderi silk with a soft silk dupatta. So the next one is kind of a greenish yellow with a very beautiful lavender color combination. In this all the combinations will be very very good actually. Very different combinations. So this is a kind of a pale, not pale, it's a kind of a greenish yellow. This is how the top will be. It's a very beautiful color combination. This is, you will be getting a greenish yellow color chanderi silk top with a lavender color soft cotton silk bottom. Very soft bottom this is, and you will be getting a completely batik dyed and sequence worked soft silk dupatta. The full dupatta has got a batik patterns. Okay. So this is how the set looks. Very very beautiful combination, priced only for 1025 with free shipping. Next is dark peach colored soft chanderi silk top with the complete batik patterns. So the top you won't be getting any sequence work, only the dupatta you will be getting the sequence work, and this is the bottom. You will be getting a yellow color completely plain cotton silk bottom, and this is the dupatta. So the full dupatta has got a sequence work and the batik patterns. Okay, these are all very soft sequence work, so will be very comfortable to wear. So this is how the set looks. This is a kind of a dark peach color soft chanderi silk top, and you will be getting a contrast yellow color cotton silk bottom, and this is the dupatta, priced only for 1025 with free shipping. We have got one more combination, that's a very beautiful peacock blue. Okay, dark peacock blue color soft chanderi silk top with a very beautiful onion pink color bottom and dupatta. So we have posted a similar item with a very different print last week. We have got a very good response. So we have again come up, this is how the top looks, completely printed top, and this is the bottom. You will be getting a light onion pink color plain bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is a dual shaded, completely batik dyed soft silk dupatta with a complete sequence work. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1025 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you, and all these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the items, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shreyathecottonhouse.com. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with our page. Bye bye all.